All right, folks, morning. It's Friday, last trading day of the week. I'd love to say that I'm getting ready to drive into the office, but unfortunately I'm not. In fact, I had to drive to the next town over to get a cup of coffee because my coffee shop is now closed down due to the state of Illinois rolling back into stricter lockdown measures. And we're starting to see that worldwide right now with this uptick in coronavirus cases. Now, no impact yet on the market. This morning, heading into the open, Dow Jones up 200, S&P's up 20, Nasdaq up 80. It's about a 0.75% move across the board. Weakness in the markets yesterday, bit of a pullback, bit of a breather, and we're seeing really since Monday, more or less, kind of a relaxation in these markets. Volatility ticking lower. It seems like across the board we're taking a bit of breather from the volatility we saw on Monday and last week with the election, which you would expect. Looking at some of these other markets, we're seeing weakness in the dollar this morning, seeing strength in the euro, strength in the pound, strength in the yen. This morning back below 105. Oil, 2 days of, let's call it moderate weakness. We're still above $40 a barrel, however, in WTI. So let's see how we wrap this week up. Like I said, looks like it's going to be a strong start to the day. We'll see if we can hold on to it. Number of opportunities across the board. We're still seeing movement in these markets, regardless of what the VIX is doing. There's still opportunity out there, whether that's in various currency pairs, that rotation out of the Nasdaq this week into the S&P and Dow. So let's go out there. Let's get after it. Have a great weekend. I'll check in with you all on Monday. All right. Bye-bye.